Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. Let me mark out this 30-minute. Oops. Um, Look how this the unemployment claims high we left. Look how close it is to the ADP data high from yesterday or two days ago. And then look at the cluster of data lows down here. No algorithm at all though. It's a 1 hour, 4 hour BPR. Yup. 1 hour, 4 hour, 3 hour, or forget it. 30-minute. One-hour BPR. We are delivering out of this 1 hour here. So, maybe market still wants to come for more downside, honestly. I would love that. What do you guys think? More downside? Franks, what are you doing? Yeah, I want sell side. I want us to inverse this 1 hour and just tank. We got this 30-second BPR down here. Or not BPR, but BISI. So I like this cluster of lows down here, right? I'm going to draw up my CE of this 1 hour wick. Oops. Oh, we're also in a very nice 15-minute, so let me mark this out instead of that 30-minute, actually. Sheesh. Go ahead. Man, I'm not going to lie. I woke up this morning and was like, man, for some reason, I don't even feel like trading today. Does anyone ever have that? Jay's basically just in here saying he's chasing this short and it's working or what? Look at all these lows. I like all these lows. See what happens when we sweep all these lows. I almost did. Do you, boo? What is VIX at right now? Only 16.3, so nothing crazy on VIX. Just tap at the top of this 1 hour wick. Let's see if it wants to dig down into 50% or not. Just swept these lows here. Hop over and check for SMTs anywhere. Ooh. So ES is looking a little bit stronger than NQ. NQ has swept all these lows and ES is still pretty high. So, I mean, this still looks pretty bearish for now. So I'm going to wait for a little bit better structure before I just start doing shit. I guess dream scenario would be we sweep this hourly low, get a crazy SMT, deliver out of this 30 or this 1 hour. 383. Sheesh, man. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Is this hourly low? It's also a 4-hour low. But with the SMT, right, I am open to a bounce from here. Not that we get it, but this momentum is pretty nice to go lower, right? You know, let's see. On the 1 hour chart, this is actually really, really overextended, right? So ideally, we get a dig down into the 50% of this 1 hour, sweep all this, get something out of here. It kind of lines up with the 50%. Excuse me. Or, sorry, not there. Here, right, where we've already wicked out of like crazy before. That's kind of a big move, but I guess I'm just thinking more longer term, not right this second. But you never know. Sometimes the market just be like the market. And I don't know if you guys saw that, but Lucid's doing a flash sale, 40% off, and they're doing like a 20K cash giveaway too. Nah, they said there would be more details on that tomorrow, so I don't know about that yet. But 40% off those Lucid Flex accounts. It's pretty good. It says valid until we say so. That's kind of fire. Full port short chase? Question mark. Snoop. Bro. Snoop is just going after my shoe, dude. Bro. Snoopy, you keep that shit up. I'm going to have the groomer make your ass bald today. How you feel about that? She could be like, "How you guys want it done?" I'm going to be like, "Give him a freaking buzz cut." Make this dude look like he's in the military. We need Snoop with a military cut. He needs to act right. Snoopy to boot camp. For real. Hey, you know what is cool though? We got Snoopy a Rasta collar. Right. If the 15-minute closes where it's at, would a short to yesterday's 10 p.m. low be a good play in a perfect world? I mean, yeah, you would think that we would go there, but it's kind of a big stop loss. And I think we're going to hit this low before that. Oh. Okay, wait. Is that our 50% of this 1 hour wick? Yes, it is. Okay. So now I'm watching for sure. Look at our reaction to that 50% of the 1 hour wick. I'm not. I'm far from convinced to go long just yet. I'm just watching. This is clearly bearish right now, so I definitely would need, if this is where we're going to bounce from, I would need us to stall, generate some highs, maybe even like top 50% of this, right? And get another manipulation. I don't trust turning around just yet. Especially with that hourly low down there. Damn. Let's look at so ES is still way up here. So, man, if NQ sweeps this hourly low and ES is still like up here in this BPR, I'm going to be looking for longs because, oops, wrong chart. We got this 4 hour right here. It's also a 1 hour that goes down to here, right? So boom, already have our delivery set up. 15-minute right here. All right, so I can even extend this further. 15-minute. This is a big area to bounce from. But that was kind of a pretty good dump pause, so need better structure before looking for a long for sure, even if that is what I want to look for. Oh man, it's cold in here, bro. Five-minute gap is fatty. Where? Oh, this one. No, where? The one. Oh, yeah, this one. Yeah. Bro, stop. I don't want your guys'. Actually, wait. No, stop. Guys, around the holidays, I just constantly get promo emails from prop firms, and if anyone knows me, that's just not good. Don't show me deals, man. Someone says the word promo, I come running, dude. Would you say discount? Oh. Oh, yeah. Me early. No, me yesterday. Yeah, I don't want to trade with Apex right now though. If I'm going back to Apex, I'm gonna wait until I just get 20 of them. A few hours later, baby, do you think I should just get a few of those Apexes? Amy's like, I already knew it. She's all, she's all. As soon as you said Jay mentioned it, I knew it was over with. I like doing impressions. Bro, I refreshed my email 1,000 times for like 2 weeks just to get like a 20% off of the worst plan that they had. I was so mad, dude. I don't think it's recurring though. It's 50% off recurring, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to pass them before the 16th. I'm just gonna get 25Ks, dude, and just trade the micros along with all my other stuff, and just try and pass it by the end of the sale date. And if not, if by that day I haven't passed them yet, the last trade I take will probably just be a little heavier to try and get it done. And then if not, either way, I got some accounts for $20, and then whatever. But I'm just gonna get 25Ks. Yep. She had a Christmas list going, and when I told her about the sale, she added Apex accounts for me as on her Christmas list. Like, listen. I was like, what? And she goes, hell yeah, baby, the gift that keeps on giving. Okay. No, not 20. That's so many, dude. I'm not trying to go in debt over activation fees. Like, bro, that's $1,680. Hell nah. Nah. If I was gonna drop that much, I'd rather put all that into one personal so I could trade how I want. No rules. The pressure when you feel when trading that many is crazy, dude. Yeah, for real. So there is this little 30-second inverse. But it's probably gonna be invalid. One minute long, but no sweep. Yeah, there is this 1 minute. Should be good to this high. I'm not touching anything yet. So if I miss that, I'm sorry, but I personally was not I'm not ready to take anything yet. That's my bad though. The 1 minute wasn't bad. That would be your BE or scale point probably. 30-second should be BE now because we tapped that high. All right. Then we have these highs up here. Oh, you almost took the 1 minute, but I didn't even mention it. Yeah, I kind of was not looking yet because I don't know. I think I mentally set myself conditions, and so I was kind of waiting for that. But I need to pay better attention, so that's my bad. So just tapped into this 1 minute here. See how we react to that. So we do have the SMT still, right? We have ES delivering out of this gap like we wanted. We didn't get the hourly low sweep. So there's another little 1 minute here. Yeah, I'm chilling for now. Got no qualms. I got no qualms against waiting for something obvious. Oh, yep. Sorry. Whoopsies. So yeah, I'm still just not I'm not fully convinced that we turn around here yet. But like if we were to just come up and like start inversing this 5 minute, you know, then what am I supposed to think? Man, there's not really any gaps right here, dude. On the lower time frame. Well, yeah, I guess there's. Dude, bro, I was not paying attention, man. Shit. So if we just decide to close up above this 5 minute, then I am probably gonna move on from wanting this hourly low, especially because we have an SMT. Yep, we're in the big ass 5 minute. Your micro's flying. Get it. We are. Oh, dude, you know what? We're also at 10 a.m. reversal time too. So, man, that 1 minute was fire. I can't believe I was not watching that. So I think I'll try this 5 minute if we get it, Loki. That's all you care about right now is the 5 minute. Yeah. Like if we just treat this 5 minute like it's not even there, then such a late entry, dude. Frick. That 1 minute was way better. I don't think we're gonna get this V shape like that. It's gonna stall out. So just tap the 5 minute. Did close above the 50. It's possible that we stall out here to put in a order block before we get the inverse. You know what would be nice though is if this candle could rebalance this a little bit, then push back up and get the close above. I would like that because then I'd feel like then I feel like would be less likely to get a retrace after the close. If that makes sense. But excuse me. But we got the unemployment claims data high above, so really strong draw. LRLR here, equal highs above, more LRLR. So dude, Javi's Micro is getting generational wealth money right now. $383. I know, we literally came so close. But I mean, that just makes me feel like we're just that bullish, you know? Because like ES couldn't even get close to it. ES is right here. Let's see, it'd be the 15-minute close too. Holy. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. This is the 5-minute, Jay. We're waiting on it to close. Yes. No way, Sean. No stop loss ever. So no inverse. That's kind of toxic. Or wait. No, we did get it.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. So ideally, we can at least get to here. It closed to the tick. I know it was kind of weak, but I said I wanted to try it, so If I take the L, that's okay. Ooh, that's not a good reaction, honestly. Rip. Maybe we get lucky. Hopefully it was just a little like pullback wick for the 15-minute candle. So we got to get above this last little 1-minute gap. If we can push over this last little high again, I think I'll move my. I'm moving to BE, I think, there, just to be safe. That was a lot of like not moving. So do I. And uh, uh, 2 more points. I'm trailing my stop up. We're out there. Bada bum bu 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 boing. Dude, I don't think you guys understand how close that came to stopping me out. Did anybody see that? It hit your stop loss? Dude, literally my stop was... Oops. Let's freaking go, dude. So, like, when it comes to the point, dude, when NQ gets 2 or 3 points from my TP and then just starts sitting, I'm cool with getting out of there. Also had SMT with ESNY high. So, I mean, I think, honestly, this momentum to me is good to go to the data high. But I'm not. I'm good there. Still in the 1 minute. Shit! God damn. Bro's printing. So yeah, that was 50 points. Dude, you guys are like listen, one of y'all spot me a McFlurry or what? That will be my like absolute one and only trade today, I think. Like we'll still do PM obviously, but I'm not going to trade anymore today. That was a really good trade and I'll take that. Cuz I mean in the what do you call it? The trade recap thing that I posted. You're all out now. Let's go, Sean. In the trade recap thing, I said, my only plan for this week was keep my sizing the same. All I was going to do was try and go for higher R. And for me, that was way more than regular R. So that right there, not including yesterday, already put us back above our losses from Monday. So you see there, perfect example of just sticking to your trade plan and not stressing out, right? Like we're down bad on Monday, twice as much as our normal loss. Said the only adjustment that I'm going to make is go for higher R. So we tried that yesterday or Tuesday. We went break even again. So small red day. It was like another minus $50. And then yesterday, I think we got like 32 points, right? Which is a little bit more than normal. Or it's close to normal. 25 to 30 is about normal. And then there's 50. And then that's it. We're back up now. Like, actually, everything's further ahead than it was before the red day. So, like, took a fat $600 loss on Monday, and now none of it matters, right? Because we didn't stress and we didn't panic and we didn't revenge trade and we didn't over leverage to make it back. We just came in every day with the same exact plan as the day before. And now here we are. So, absolute dubs, dude. The psychology will always be the main focus here. Like, without the psychology, the best trader is not worth a shit. Like, I can't lie. That's something that I was experiencing was like, bro, I feel like I know exactly what I'm doing, but my psychology is so bad. Like, my psychology is just what gets me in trouble, dude. So, definitely focus on that first. Used to crash out a lot. Yeah. Oh my gosh, man. You guys, doesn't this just freaking dude, days like this and yesterday just make the shitty Monday and Tuesday like it was worth the wait. Like now I'm like, you know what? Damn. Monday I already knew that price action was bad. I probably just shouldn't even been trading, you know? And then it's like maybe we would have avoided that red day altogether. So, quick reminders. It's not like a woulda coulda, but it's just like a little maybe for next time, you know? It's just like a well, maybe when I already know price is shit and we shouldn't be trading it, maybe I'll just actually not trade it. Instead of trying to force shit. Yep, same as usual, 5 micros. Or wait. I was doing minis on my big accounts. See, look, my full TP would still not have hit because I was trying to go for this wick up here. It'd still be sitting in this. My big account, well, my accounts that have big buffer are minis. My Lucid accounts, I did 6 micros. My TPT Pro 50K, I did 6 micros. And then my TPT Pro 25K is 2 micros. And our 25K TPT Pro is finally back above account balance. I said it that way. Dude, my 25K was $87 away from being blown. Let's go, dude. Literally brought that back from the absolute grave. Later, Em. Thanks for being here. See, this is basically what it looks like, Mr. Fahrenheit. No, it's oh, dude, what is that? Bro, why do I feel it's like it's not? Is it Dinner for Schmucks? But this is what it looks like, Mr. Fahrenheit. So like it gives you the ratio, and then you select which ones you want to cross order, and then you can do the ratio quantity. Oh, wait, I take it back. We are trading PM. I'm going to trade Apex evals during PM. Oh yeah, Anchorman. Yes. Cuz I didn't want to rush getting those accounts just now. I wanted to pay attention, so I didn't get them set up. So PM I think we'll trade Apex accounts. We have Broadcom earnings after hours. I will not be trading anything PM. Never mind. PM's going to suck. In fact, what we saw right there was probably the move of the morning. And then I bet it's just going to be chopped till yeah, Hutch. We caught 50 points on this 5-minute long. And then some people caught the 1-minute long from way to hell down here and just like got generational wealth. But when I asked for a McFlurry, they said nah, so that's cool. Good shit. Yeah, the momentum was crazy, bro. I couldn't say no. I got you with the 2 cookie pack. Hey! No, everything YouTube is saying is to go with the fillet of fish lately. Why have we been seeing so many fillet of fish cooking videos? Dude, chat, did we? I don't know if that did inverse, you guys. Hold up. Ooh, we might have got lucky. Damn. Oh shit. No, I thought you meant that it inversed to the tick, like above to the tick, because that's what I didn't have my box in the right spot. Dude, we got so lucky. Damn, dude, no wonder we had to sit through that drawdown, bro. If we would have waited for the actual inverse, look, it was a 0 drawdown trade. Shit. Dang, bro. I didn't even have my normal risk on that either. Something made me go 30 something points. Like normally I go 25, but I went, let's see, how far did it go against me? Oh, 22 points. Okay, so it didn't even get close. Actually, well, 25 points would have been my stop, so I guess it was close. But damn. That sucks. Yeah, no, I'm not complaining shit. We needed that. Oops. Dude, let's go, man. So after Monday, all of our Lucid accounts were at only $100 in profit, and now they're all up over the $1,000 mark. Let's go. Deserve that play for being, dude. Thank you, man. That was, man. When that was pulling back, I was, oh, we might be cooked. But then, so when we got this pullback right here, obviously I was like, don't do this to me. But we left a ton of equal highs right here. And then as soon as we got this candle, I was like, all right, we're chilling.
Because if that was gonna fail, this would not have turned around right here. It just would have kept going. So as soon as we got this candle turned around, I was like, all right, bet. Like, sigh of relief at that point. Bring up my executions. Yeah. Let's see. We got out at 6:10. So the highest it went was another 19 points. So my TP was the top of this wick, right? And look, bro, if that would have came that close to there and didn't hit and I was still holding this, I would be furious. That's why I was like, okay, I'm just going to trail my stop because either we're going to get the pop or it's going to chop around. So that was like what I was thinking in the moment. Once we started accelerating, I was like, okay, this is either going to pop now or I don't want to be in it anymore. According to the indicator, you're still not BE. Dude, that BE is diabolical. Bro, if you're waiting 60 points to go BE, you're a savage. It took the wait, it took the lower 5 minute and it's still saying the BE's not till up there? Holy shit. Yeah, that's even more insane. Yo, Jay, are you hearing that? That's the indicator that you're talking about. don't do it. I was trailing so tight when we got close. Yeah, that's what I was doing, right? Like, as soon as we got to where we were about to hit, I was like, okay, I'm trailing because either I'm getting full TP, which is a few more points, or I'm getting out right now, which is like almost 200 ticks. So, like, 200 ticks is, we'll take it. Why does Jay know this already? Yo, nah. Yo, oh man. That set me off, bro. That's so funny. Week 2. Yes, sir. Bro has already caught 25 points with a mini on eval, but you know, we had to talk about that later on. Oh, do I still need to make that? Shit. I still need to make that that episode. That will forever be your favorite trade. Bro's just like, I'm like, and we're out there. And then Jay's all, well, that was fun. I'm like, what do you mean? He's all, first live trade secured. It's like, wait, what? You're not supposed to be doing that. And he did it on Trade of 8 too, guys. So if you've executed on Trade of 8, you know when you get in, you don't see your profit line. It's just a little line you can barely see on the chart. So he was like, "Where's my trade?" It was on Trading View. How'd you do it on Trading View? Oh wait. Okay, I see. Dude, because on paper when you get in, it puts the stop loss and take profit things there automatically, but it doesn't do that on Trade of 8 trades. It doesn't provide that. So if you get in a buy, you can't do that unless it's paper or like certain live accounts, but no demo or firm accounts or prop firm accounts will let you do that on there. So when you get in, like if you get in a short, right? Let me just log out real fast so that I don't actually like trade. Let me just show you how you'll have to do it. Okay, paper trading. So if you just like, let's say you get in a buy, right? And you want to set your stop loss, which would be a sell. So you would later, Javi, you would go underneath your buy order, right click, and then just hit sell, and then put your limit on there like that. And then same thing for your take profit. Does that make sense? Because when you're on a account, like a prop firm account, this little take profit and stop loss symbols aren't going to be here. So you just have to right click and put your limits on like that. Got it? Bro, had the mouse just hovered over the X like this? Mouse was shaking, bro. So leaving these equal highs up here could be a good shot for a setup. Like if we want to draw out our 50% of this leg up, right? Now we could probably look for something. Maybe we manipulate down, tap into this, and get longs to try and target these equal highs and the data high. Excuse me. I just realized that I have not been posting trade recaps, dude. That's totally my bad. Not since Monday. Oh, wait. And then Tuesday we were break even. And then Wednesday. Oh, okay. Whatever. I can update that. I need to get better at doing that stuff. Dude, Jay, that's so funny, man. Did anybody else in here take the 5-minute? Maybe we need a daily checklist. Maybe what we need is... and someone to manage your Discord so you have one less thing to worry about. Oh, okay. Eddie's in the 2-minute short. Fire. Yeah, and now you got the 2-minute OB down, too. Are you BE yet? Yeah. Pray for your long. Go, Renzo, go. But Eddie's in a short. Who do I pray for? You're out? Wait, you're out? Done for the... What did you like 10 minis? 1 mini? Oh, I mean, shit. Dude, that's the thing about minis, man. 1 mini and like, yeah, 1 mini, 30 points. Dude, that's $600. That's more than a good day. Like, people think that you have to hold for these bangers to make some money, but dude, 20, 30 points a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. Even with micros, honestly. Bouncing off previous day low. Man, I wish I had shit like that marked on my chart, but I just don't. Let's see. Daily. Let me mark out our PDL. I feel like people use indicators, and I don't have one. Because I'm like too bougie. I'm just kidding. I'm joking. So we're bouncing off previous day low, like the wifey said. Generating good LRLR here to look for a potential long. Took 5 losses, now 1 win. Yeah, but your losses were probably like 3 points, huh? 3 points each or what? Yeah, 10 ticks. Yep. Bro's just casually dropping 10-hour trades. For real. Nice exit. That was the most unlucky BE of all time if you got BE'd on your short. So, man, honestly, if we inverse this 15-minute down, the hell is this? If we inverse this 15-minute down, I would almost think that we sweep these relative equal lows, honestly. But we'd have a little bit of a gap here and the gap that we bounced out of once already. So there's that too. Now I can finally buy my cats Christmas presents then food. They've got days without it. Okay, buddy. Dude, 30 minute looks like we could be potentially putting in a fat ass OB down, which I want 134 long term. Out of your short. Let's go. Freaking banger, dude. People are eating in here. I like it. Even the cats. Even Renzo's cats be eating. Oh, wait. It's a 5 minute, not a 15-minute. Sorry. Jay, I'm looking at this 5 minute. 4 minute is a little bit bigger. So we could probably look at that. Renzo's cat be trading. Man, there's apparently a chicken that trades. So there's a chicken that got a funded account. So if you guys think it can't be done, it can be done. We can do this. If a chicken can get funded, we can all get funded. Not only funded, but the chicken trades gold even. So there's also that. Like the chicken trades gold. The chicken's getting payouts. Dude, what the hell, man? We need some chicken marketing. What about Snoopy trades? We can get him stuffies, a bull and a bear, and we let him just pick each morning, and then that's the side we choose. So if he goes after the bull, then we long. He goes after the bear stuffy. Aw. Dad, where's my food? Will you take a winning trade yet, please? Okay, so this 5 minutes coming down, really good momentum. This 4 minute is right here as well.
So 30 seconds till the 4-minute inverses. Let's look at ES real fast. Oh, damn. So ES, what? Oh, geez. I didn't notice that we had that big of an SMT. I was not paying attention. Too busy staring at my trade, hoping it doesn't fail. 9. So 8 seconds left for the 4-minute. And no inverse. So no inverse there on the 4-minute. We left some equal lows. Probably would just go back to the 5-minute now and watch that. Nah, I don't think that way. All we need is a piece of the pie. We only need a little bit of, like, these candles move a lot during the day. During good price action, we genuinely only need a little bit of it, right? Like, we only need a little bit. So, Mr. Fahrenheit, I'm rocking the all Adidas. The all Adidas just for you. I mean, not just for you, but I like this stuff. But still 2 minutes left on this 5-minute. That means I have time to get coffee. So no inverse on the 5-minute. 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, I personally would probably rather be looking to try and target the equal highs. But there's an SMT up there. Never mind, I just forgot about that. 1 minute long. This. I mean, it looks okay. I mean, if I'm being real, I hate it. But no, I'm just playing. I would like this more if we inverse both of these. Yeah, there's a 3-minute here. There's a 5-minute right here. But I think, like, I would low key probably trust it if we inversed all of this on the 1 minute. Just because the draws, like, I feel like the draw is pretty obvious. And then the break even point would be this high. And then it would be like, you could break even or scale there.
try and go for these equal highs. Full TP would be the unemployment claims high. Demo account is printing right now. I'm the greatest paper trader of all time. Love it. Bunch of beasts in here. Let's go. Bunch of human money printers. Here, wait. I got a picture of everyone in the chat. I'm that chicken though. There, look. Okay, well that 1 minute ended up just being a banger. Nice job. Pretty sure Oksana and I started flirt. Yes, hold on. Dude, that's awesome. I'm pretty sure Oksana and I started flirting when I told him I'd buy him a paper tiny house in the dungeon. Yep. When she said that, I was all shit, and you gonna live in it. Keep talking like that. So the 3 minute inverse both of these, if you have confidence in that, you could give that a try. I think that, like, for me, I would legit, once we inverse this 1 minute, I would be confident in that. Add it on the 3 minute close. Bro, it's averaging in like ICT, bro. Dude, I tried to have ChatGPT make me a graphic for the Lucid flash sale, and I was like, I need this graphic, but with my promo code on it. And they redid it, and for the promo code they put ping pong. I was like, yo, that is not the right code, bro. Ping pong. Coming up on the hour close. Let's see what happens. Oh, oh, is there like news right now? What was that? Jeez. What up, Muffin? Take anything? Ant fucker. Banned. Yo, what's going on right now? Trump. Stock market just hit an all-time high. Disney CEO on letter to Google. We've been in conversation with Google, pressing our concerns about IP. There's nothing weird, dude. Wonder if that's just the start of the Broadcom chop.
I don't know what he's talking about. Maybe he just meant under his whatever presidency. YM's all-time high. Oh, wait, what? Oh shit. Well, YM is apparently at all-time highs. Oh my gosh, dude, my chart. How the hell am I supposed to? How am I supposed to fix all of this when we get our freaking contract changed, dude? I'm gonna have so much stuff to copy over. Do you have a hack for that? I don't know if I trust it. Yep, and it's gonna be soon too. You can offset all your drawings. How? They won't be in the same spot because the price levels change. Oh, of course I saw Monday's game. Go freaking Chargers. Oh, wait. Since you put it in all caps, then I got you. Dude, you guys threw bad, honestly. Muffin, you guys threw. No, I'm being serious too, Mr. Fahrenheit. Just tell me how to do it. Just DM me and tell me how or something. Nah, that was crazy, Muffin. Let's look at this 1 minute. This 1 minute's about to inverse. You don't like the 1 minute? The 1 minute is going to slap this little high right here. And then probably continue to this high right here. So, boom, there's that. Jay, I'm holding your hand through this. I'm just kidding. It didn't even hit yet. It literally didn't even hit yet. But it's going to. Wish we would have gotten the 1 minute combined with the 5 minute. Have you not taken anything yet? No? Aw, rip. You're in on eval on the 1 minute? You gotta, oh god. You gotta group your drawings in the object tree, do the math, what the offset would be. Oh my god. Nope. I think I'll just go naked chart. Ooh, this is failing fast. That's what I get for talking shit. 30-second down, just inversed. Oh boy. Jay was right. No, this is not the candle you want to see at all. Bro, there's no way that did not hit the BE point. That's so toxic, dude. Wow. Cap, sorry you like being right. I think this still pumps. We just were tapping into this little 30-second down here so that we can fly up again.
Here it comes. Don't do an order block down. All right, Renzo. See you, man. I mean, short to 455 low. No way. Hold this long. Wait, I'm in a long. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just hold this long. You're good to these highs. Due to my endless charitable due to my endless charitable nature, I will record a video on how it's done when the contract change happens, and I will share it as a Christmas present. Somebody give him a special role. It's not Mr. Fahrenheit. It's Mr. Chart Saver. What up, Jay Brown? One minute short incoming. No. This is going to pump. We're going to get a pump for Sean. Sean, I'm trying. I can count on one hand how many times you've been saved in drawdown like this. Oh, yeah, watch this. Okay. I'm sorry. It didn't work. Trump tweet that we are cutting rate again. Oh, God. Yeah, rip, dude. There's this 1 minute down. Got some trend line down here. Couldn't sweep the high. We have delivery. Finally inversed it after it wouldn't inverse. Oof. All right, you guys. That's gonna be it for now. Wait, you guys are in the 1 minute? Okay, fine. Hang on. I'll wait. Probably this 2 minute is what you need to inverse right here. Because it's a BPR. So if we can inverse this 2 minute, you'd be chilling. And it's a 3 minute as well.
We're probably, honestly, after the moves that we've had already and what time it is now, we might be like in the over trader zone, low key, until PM. And then PM might be even worse because we have Broadcom. But yep, that's gonna be it for now, you guys. See y'all for